Hello, hope you're all doing well today. I have another little doodad project. This should be a fairly simple one. So I'm going to bring you guys along. Just have a pretty simple little project, show you what I got going. This is the built-in secretary that is in this original woodwork on this 1920s Craftsman Bungalow house. And my wife sits here and uses this to do some computer work and whatnot, because TV's right over there. So she sits here and does some work in between watching some stuff. It's just one big open area, and she has told me that she would like a little small shelf put in back there. Should be a pretty simple project. I'll bring you along with me. See how this one turns out. First thing I'm going to do here is just take a couple of measurements and write that down because I can't remember anything. So it looks like it's 26 inches wide, and at 24 1/4 there's a little notch there. So I was digging through some of the wood I have, and this is some of that southern yellow pine. That's the same stuff that's in the house already. I had a little piece of it left that's already been worked up, so I'm just going to use a piece of that to make that little piece of shelf. Got a little bit of detail on this edge with that router bit, and this is gonna be the bottom of the shelf. This will be the top of the shelf. So I'm gonna sand that down a little bit, and then we'll do a little staining on it and a coat of poly, and that's gonna be it for the build of that shelf. I will put a couple of pocket screws on each side of the bottom of the shelf, and that's how we're going to attach it in there. And I'm pretty happy with that. It's kind of exactly the look I'm looking for in that cabinet. It's the right wood. Just a beautiful grain pattern in there. To me, it's kind of hard to beat this old southern yellow pine that's so kind of old growth stuff. It's got some really nice looking pattern in there, and this stain that I use kind of like lets the hard parts of this wood kind of really shine, and I really like the look. So we'll let that dry up. We'll take it back in the house and put it in that put it in that desk. I've decided I'm not gonna put any polyurethane on this. I'm just gonna let it dry well. It's pretty protected underneath there, and I'm just gonna leave it stain. Here's kind of a close look at that wood grain there. Back in the house here, I'm gonna set up a little laser in there to help me get the shelf straight. This little laser that I bought from Harbor Freight is the handiest thing. Saves a lot of time and frustration. And that's it. That's all there is to it. The little shelf's in there. Looks like it belongs in there. Matches the rest of the woodwork pretty well. And that'll work for her. She also put this cool motion sensor light in there so that there's no dark spots in there. But that will serve the purpose. She just wanted a way to put these little things up on so that they weren't down here in the way, so she'd have a better place to put her computer, and that's going to be very functional. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you on the next little doodad. That one was simple and quick and easy. I'll take one like that every day.